guys, Jason here with Dirt Monkey Performance. We're going to go over our products that we did for the Maverick bar that we just got back from testing at King of the Hammers. This right here was our pre-runner. So this one got approximately 400 miles between rock and desert with pre-running. So a few things is you see it's still dirty. We didn't baby it. We definitely put it through the ringer. As you can see, you know, we got to do it so you guys have confidence. So this will get replaced. So we've got some plastics. So we'll move over here to the main thing that we tested is our radius rods, our lowers, our toe middle radius rod, and our upper. So we'll start with, they're all 70-75 aluminum, which has the highest tensile strength. So we went with 70-75 because, you know, we just want you to have confidence. We got 1.25 inches right here in diameter. You got our lowers, which is pretty trick. They actually, at full drop, as you see, they tuck in behind the middle toe rod. So as you drop down, they actually tuck in behind. So if you hit anything, it's got some double strength there for hitting instead of coming up. We didn't have to change anything when it comes to sway bar, stock length, sway bar lengths. So you can retain factory if you want to. If not, we had the option to buy. So we've got 3/4 Heims, misalignment, still using the factory 14mm bolt on the inside. Here, on the toe rod, on the knuckle, we almost fell into the trap of going double shear, but we got to thinking about it, and Can-Am put a tapered end right here, just like you have a tapered on the X3 front knuckle, which never has really issues, right? So these 6mm bolts right here, they're not going to do much for adding a double shear to you. You can whack this hard enough with a hammer and you're going to break those 6mm bolts. So all your strength's right here. So we went with a tapered end 3/4 Heim to a 5/8. So this actually has a higher radial load rating than our 3/4 Heims on the inside. So these are approximately 34,000. These are hovering around 40,000 out here. So we did test with a grade 10 bolt. We will come from us when our production kit will be a grade 12. So we'll add some strength there. Zero issues, but again, we want to add confidence to you guys. So we got our prototype Wayland Speed exhaust right here. And then also you may have noticed prototype lightweight rotors and hats. So we got our hats that are at a 70-75, custom made rotors, vent rotors, and then these are replaceable. So you only have to replace your rotors here. You don't have to replace the entire assembly of the hat rotor combination that comes factory. And these right here are approximately half the weight of factory. So we'll show that in some pictures. We'll put them on the scale and show you guys. So again, these are a prototype, zero issues out of them. We don't quite got pricing nailed down yet, but they'll be available soon. So moving to the front, as you see, we got our lightweight rotors in the front. And then we went ahead and upgraded the whole steering assembly. So as far as using a factory rack, we went with a inner, I'll let them zoom in there, an inner ball joint delete. So inner ball joint delete, using the factory bolts that go into the steering rack. You know, some guys, you know, I hear, you know, changing them out, but I try to stick on some things as much as factory because nobody has the R&D budget as OEM. So we just tweak some things that they did for us in racing applications or the aggressive trail rider. NAS bolt, so got an aircraft bolt in here with a proper shank and proper threads. So we don't have the Heim on threads on this bolt. It's all been spec'd for this kit.
1.25 inch 70-75 tie rod going into a 3/4 threaded rod end, but has a 5/8 through hole with misalignment. So again, this is the same one in the back we use in the toe, roughly 40,000 pounds radial rating compared to a normal 3/4, which is 32,000 pounds. So you're probably wondering right here what this is. Well, this is our upgraded 40-130 tie rod end. So all is good. We didn't know how strong the factory was, so we went ahead and upgraded it for some reassurance. So, but everything tested out well, and a few little tweaks we'll probably do on the production units, but overall very happy with what we've got. So yeah, and that's what we got this for. We got more stuff coming. Got a production bumper coming. We'll eventually have A-arms. We used another company's A-arms for pre-running because we shifted our focus to a bunch of other products that we designed, developed, and wrapped a prototype for King of Hammers in about 4 weeks. So very excited for the new things coming, but just wanted to highlight what we currently have and offer to you guys. Thanks.